general relativity, step by step. We've got these two nice symmetry conditions here. Actually, this is an anti-symmetry condition. And there's a third one as well, which is written like this: alpha, beta, mu, nu, plus r. And then the alpha stays where it is, and then I permute these three indices here cyclically. So I shift the beta one step to the right. It's still beta, mu, nu, but started from a different position. R, alpha's always first, beta's now in the third position, beta, mu, nu, and this whole thing equals 0. A little bit harder to show than the others, but well, what the hell, we'll do it anyway. I might have to take 2 screencasts over it. So I've got my Riemann Christoffel tensor, which is here, and that's R, alpha, beta, mu, nu, and actually I'll take the 2 over the other side. And I'm going to write it out in a slightly different notation that I've been using. I'm going to say it's G nu alpha comma mu beta minus G. All it is it's just the same notation. It's not no new concepts. Beta comma mu alpha minus G mu alpha comma mu beta plus G, what's the last one? Beta mu comma nu alpha. And I'm going to add to R alpha, and again alpha stays constant, stays in the same place, the beta mu nu plus 2R alpha, the beta's last, but it's still beta mu nu, G blah blah comma blah blah minus G blah blah comma blah blah. It's easy to get lost in the indices here, blah blah comma blah blah. So I'm just writing out the skeleton, and I'll show you how to fill them in a minute. Minus G blah blah comma blah blah plus G blah blah comma blah blah. Right, what's happened here? The alpha, well, I'll put the alpha in first. The alpha just stays where it is, so it's there in the second place, it's here in the final place, it's there and there, it's now there and there. Okay, now what's happened? The beta has turned into a mu. The beta has turned into a nu. The beta has turned into a nu. Beta has turned into a nu. Beta has turned into a nu. And the nu has turned into a mu. 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 Nearly there. The mu has turned into a beta. 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 And what's the beta done? The beta has turned into a nu. 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 Is that it? Yeah, that's it. And what's left? What's left? The nu has turned into a mu. The nu has turned into a mu. Into a mu. Into a mu. I don't even need to look because it's the only one that's left. And the mu has turned into a beta, so I just fill in the remaining dot with a beta. Beta. There we go. I'm going to add all these terms up. And hope for a cancellation. It's actually a little bit tricky. Well, it's not tricky as such, but it's easy to cock it up. So I'm going to stop here and stop while I'm ahead, and I will do the cancellation on the subsequent screencast. Okay? Stop here, and I'll do the cancellation in the next screencast. Stop.